Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. আজকে আমি ক্রিয়েট করতে চলেছি a soft, classy and expensive looking rich girl makeup look. First I am starting with a Nivea Moisturiser. Rich girl makeup এর সবচেয়ে important step হচ্ছে well hydrated skin. Next I am using my Inside Cosmetics corrector to cover any pigmentation and dark areas. Just a little bit because we don't want a heavy cakey base. I am mixing my Mars foundation with a little bit of moisturizer. This gives me that beautiful dewy skin-like finish. I want my skin to look naturally flawless, not like a wearing too much makeup. Next is my Swissbeauty concealer. I am applying it under my eyes and on the areas where I need a little extra coverage. Now let's define the brows. I am just filling in the gaps and giving them a clean lifted shape. Now blending the concealer. Now let's add some eyeshadow. I am keeping the eyes soft, natural and classy because rich girl makeup is all about looking effortless. I am using a light brown shade on this look and a white shimmer on my eyelid. Now is the mascara time. Before mascara, I am curling my lashes. This little step makes such a big difference. It instantly makes the eyes look more open and lifted. And now I am using a mascara. This is a Double Trouble mascara from Mars. And this is a two-step mascara. First step for length and second for volume. And don't forget to shading your lower lash line. Now comes my favorite part, blush. I am using the Mars Dark Magic blush. A little blush instantly makes the whole face look fresh and expensive. And of course I am not going too heavy. And this is optional. I am lightly contouring my nose, just enough to give the face a little more structure. And now of course we need that rich girl glow. I am adding highlighter on the high points of my face, cheekbones and a little bit of the inner corner. Now I am wearing a eyeliner because without eyeliner eye makeup is incomplete. I am using this liner from Lakme. For the lips, I am starting with my Swissbeauty Lipliner. I am silently defining the lips and giving them a fuller, more polished shape. Now I am using a nude brown shade. I am going for a soft elegant shade that completes the whole look. And lastly I add some gloss on my lips. And we are done. Okay guys, this is the final rich girl makeup look. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you all.